Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here and there. So yeah guys, today's vlog, it's another collaboration and it's another unboxing and review as well, because today is special because this would be, I think this would be my second time around of reviewing a scent from a perfume from Paris Hilton. It's Gold Rush. So this is my second time around and working with Paris Hilton perfume or scents or fragrance, whatever you say, you know. So yeah, since I myself loves perfume, I love scents, you know. Whenever I go, even at home, I use scents. So this one is really amazing and it's perfect. So let's open this together. Stay tuned, bear with me, and stay frosty because you'll see how it looks like and what are, you know, what is the bottle, how it looks like, and yeah. So where's my other phone? And just open this together. Ta-da! There. One thing about Paris Hilton, I super love their packaging. You know, it's like perfect for gifts to your friends or family and friends or any of your loved ones. This is really perfect for you. Oh my goodness, this is perfect. You know, this is perfect for women or to our mom, our friends, our aunties and titas. You know, this is perfect as a gift to them, and this is really amazing. Look at that, how beautiful, how gorgeous is the bottle. You know, that, come to think of it, it's not just the bottle, it's how it smells, you know. But let's see how it smells like, and that's the top part there, and you just twist it, and then there you go, see, and you just spray it on, and smells good. So this is really wonderful. This is really great perfume. It smells very awesome. And let's put this one, let's set aside this one and see. This one is Gold Rush. I think Rose Rush was last time I had. It's a pink one that I had, and this is pretty amazing. Thank you, Paris Hilton, for having this a great perfume. They have their QR code. You know, you have to be careful with the fake ones, but so far, you know, I had the original one. I have, you know, you can see at the back there portion, and the bottom part, it's like the QR code, and yeah, this is wonderful. This is amazing. So there you go, and hold on, give me a second, and I'm gonna read it to you. I'm gonna mention about the, what you call it, how, you know, the smell, how's it smell, what is the smell, and there you go. So like I said, this is Gold Rush perfume from Paris Hilton. It's the brand itself is Paris Hilton, of course. So, and it's Gold Rush EDU perfume. It's spray at 3.4 O's, and that's a lot, you know, 100 ml. So like I said, this is perfect for us women out there. This is perfect for us, you know. There you go. Or to our mom, aunts, and or to all our girlfriends, you can give this as a gift to them. Why not? So, and what else? So About Paris Hilton is an iconic businesswoman and so this is a little trivia about Paris. You know, she was an iconic businesswoman and entrepreneur, has carved her path by setting trends, breaking boundaries and barriers, and defying expectations. From social media to television, podcasting, and NFTs, she has built an empire. However, her journey began with fragrances. Think about that. Before she was famous, her journey begins with fragrances. A passion project turned multi-million-dollar business. Wow. Her debut scent, Paris Hilton, for women revolutionized celebrity fragrances in 2024. Oh my goodness. So this is inspired by the duality of gold, as you can see, and the interpretation of its fragrance, it's Gold Rush by Paris Hilton, because it's sparkling, you know, and it's bright and glowing. Yet the smells for this one is very warm, rich, and sensuous. You know, it's limit one order per day, and the fragrance captures the right balance of luminous citrus top notes with a perfect heart of radiance, florals, and sweetness of golden gourmands and warm wood. So this is perfect like for a daytime or even at nighttime, but I would say definitely use this for daytime, because this is like perfect because it's perfect warm. And the features of its details, it's inspired, like I said, it's inspired from the duality of interpretation of its fragrance, from the gold range and the sparkling and bright. And this is amazing. So yeah, don't you worry guys, I'm gonna put the link on my description so that you guys, if you are interested with this product, you can just, you know, grab one of this, and you can smells good, you can smells awesome and confident, and this is perfect for us women. So yeah, this is the biggest size, so it's the country of origin is in the United States. So the package dimension of this product, it's 8.1 centimeter L times by 11.4 centimeter width, and the times by 20.3 centimeter height. So this is perfect. You know, when you put in your luggage, it doesn't exist or exist the baggage of your luggages. If you travel, you can, you know, it's very handy and amazing. This is really perfect for us women, and you know, I would really recommend this to my friends. And it's, oh my goodness, smells so good. You know, I think this is one of my favorite scents now, for daily use. I could highly recommend this to all my friends and to all my women's friends, girlfriends. I would really recommend this one to you. This is perfect. Look at the bottle, you know, and it looks expensive, girl. So this is wonderful gift for, you know, birthday or any occasions or debut, or you know, you can give this to them. And yeah, this is really amazing. And thank you, Paris Hilton, for, you know, for having this perfume. I super love this one, and I can't wait to have more of this perfume, because they have different scents, And so far I have this the second one. I might probably give this to my mom because my mom loves perfume as well. And one thing, one time I went home and hey, it smells good. So what's your perfume? So that was the rose rush and the pink one. So there are two different pink one, and the pink one that I got, it was the rose ranch, and it smells good. So this one, this is perfect for summer, or this is perfect for daytime. And not just for daytime, you can use this also for a nighttime as well. Why not? So, oh my goodness, look at that, Paris Hilton. It's Paris Hilton. Ta-da! And thank you so much. And yeah, this would add it to my collection. And since I am a perfume addict and super love it, so the fragrance captures the right balance of luminous citrus notes with a heart of radiant florals and the sweetness of golden gourmands and warm woods. So this is pretty amazing. This is smells good. So you just easy to wear. You just magic. Ta-da! And you can see the brand there. It's Rose Ranch. There you go. So I'm gonna give this to my card. So I think that's it for today's videos, guys, and thank you for watching. This has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you bye for now and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.